All right, Casey described a number using these clues. The value of the digit 3 is 3 times 10,000. The value of the digit 4 is 4 times 1/10. And the value of the digit 8 is 8 times 100. So now we're trying to find which number matches that description. There's a couple of ways you could look at this. One of the ways is you could take the clues and place them on a place value chart. So if I have a 3 in the 10,000s place, then I would have a 3 right here. I don't know what the rest of the digits are, but I would have a 3 in the 10,000s place. The next thing I see is a 4 in the tenths place, and that's one place value to the right of the decimal, so I would place that 4 right here. The third number, or the third clue, is the value of the 8 is 8 times 100, and so my 8 would be in this place value. So these are the only clues I have. There's obviously some more digits here, but this is the clues I have. So I could go then to looking at the numbers and see which ones match. So I could write each of these numbers down. And I see that the 3 matches, the 4 and the 8 also match. So that could very well be my number, but I'm not going to make that decision until I look at all of them. So now I'm going to put in the 23,845 and 100th, and I'm looking for a 3 in the 10,000s place, and this is not true. And I'm looking for a 4 and an 8, and that's not true as well. So there's nothing about that number really that matches up. Then I'm going to look at this next number, and I'm going to write it on my place value chart. And I'm looking to see for matches. I'm looking for a 3. We do have a 3 here. I'm looking for a 4 here, and there's a 6 here. I'm looking for an 8 in the hundredths place, and that's a 7. So the 7 and the 6 don't match. The only part that matches is the 3 with these 3 numbers. So that is also not a correct answer. I'm going to look at the final number and write that on my place value chart. And getting that from my test is 24,835 and 1200ths. And remember, I'm looking for a 3 in the 10,000s place, a 4 in the tenths place, and an 8 in the hundredths place. So let's look. I don't see a 3 here, so that's not correct. I don't see a 4 here or an 8 here, so these are not correct. So my answer choice D is also not correct. And I would mark that out. And then my answer choice that does fit all the clues is A.